Now let's talk about getting a copy of Windows Server 2012. Because to get the most out of this course and really to adequately prepare for this exam, you're going to have to get hands-on with this product. Now there is a free trial version available on Microsoft's website. So if you browse out to www.microsoft.com and just do a quick search for Windows Server 2012, then you can go to the 2012 Windows Server homepage, and somewhere on that page you'll see a link for a trial, a try it now link, Windows Server 2012 evaluation, that sort of thing. Just look for that. They change it from time to time. And you'll usually get a link to a download, and you'll have a choice of an ISO file. Now obviously an ISO file you can burn to a DVD and use that for installation media. There are programs out there that you can just mount that ISO and install it off of that. Or you can get a VHD file, a virtual hard disk file, and you can open this up in any of Microsoft's virtualization products. The only catch there with that is you don't actually install the operating system. It's an image of an already working operation. And I would strongly suggest that you go through an installation or two of Windows Server 2012, especially when it comes to Server Core. Now what you're going to get when you download this is a full-featured 180-day trial. Run this for 180 days, that's 6 months in English, and then it'll expire, and if you need more time on it, you can just simply reload it. Now, obviously, it's not licensed for a production server and all of that stuff, so keep that in mind. But also, when you get this and you start running it, you're going to be able to do anything on Windows Server 2012 that the software supports. So you can use this to prepare for this exam. And as we go through the course here, I'm going to tell you a lot of facts and a lot of things that you need to understand for the exam for Windows Server 2012. But there's going to be a lot that we just simply won't have time to get hands-on with. And some of these, if you're not familiar with them, you're going to need to dig into and get a little hands-on yourself. So this is the way to do it for free. And also let me warn you, if you download that ISO file, it's a little over 3 gigabytes. So it could take a little while unless you're on a really fast internet connection. So that's how to get yourself a free copy of Windows Server 2012 so you can follow along and get that hands-on experience that you need.